Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When not wearing a mask, the CDC recommends covering the mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing and recommends using the inside of the elbow if no tissue is available. Proper hand hygiene after any cough or sneeze is encouraged.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cover your mouth and nose with a flexed elbow or tissue when coughing and sneezing. And remember to throw away the used tissue immediately in a bin with a lid and to wash your hands. This way you protect others from any virus released through coughs and sneezes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.